net. Ou bien nous dans Cœur Brooklyn dans là, nous 1942 Utica Avenue between Avenue K and L. Avenue K and L. Nous sur Utica, pas oublier. Téléphone nous c'est 718 776 76 61. Cell phone nous c'est 342 425 53 62. Pas oublier, nous travaillons avec tout le monde. Si vous voulez travailler avec Banco, nous travaillons avec Banco. Nous-mêmes, nous avons banque par nous. Nous avons 50% off toute machine qui est repossess car. Que nous avons 50% off là-dedans. Nous venons là, nous connaissons que dans Cœur Brooklyn, que nous sommes contents. Que chaque monde, chaque ton vient là, si c'est toll ou payé, si vous payez gaz, nous avons $25 pour faire gaz. Ok, nous situons dans 1942 Utica Avenue between K and L. Sur Utica, pas oublier. Téléphone nous c'est 718 776 76 61. Cell phone nous c'est 342 425 53 62. Pas oublier, nous travaillons avec tout le monde. Si vous voulez travailler avec Banco, nous travaillons avec Banco. Nous-mêmes, nous avons banque par nous. Nous avons 50% off toute machine qui est repossess car. Que nous avons 50% off là-dedans. Nous venons là, nous connaissons que dans Cœur Brooklyn, que nous sommes contents. Que chaque monde, chaque ton vient là, si c'est toll ou payé, si vous payez gaz, nous avons $25 pour faire gaz. Ok, nous situons dans 1942 Utica Avenue between K and L.
Joe from Car Approval Corporation at 1942 Utica Avenue. Mr. Joe, tell us about your business here on Utica Avenue.
What we do here at Car Approval, we specialize in getting guaranteed finance approval for all of our customers, regardless of their credit, good, bad, scarred, bankrupt, it doesn't matter. We get everybody approved. As long as you work, you drive.
And that's the name, Car Approval. So tell us about the financing work at Car Approval.
The financing is the best financing that we have in the neighborhood. We have guaranteed approval, special finance with about over 17 banks that we have available to approve everyone that comes through our doors. We also have very good insurance connections with brokers. We can do full coverage for around anywhere from $150 to $200 a month. That's in Brooklyn, regardless of the driving record, and we can do liability as low as $80 to $100 a month. And the special financing programs that we have are approved for every single car. So we have low rates for those that have good credit, and anyone that has damaged credit that can't get approved, we will approve them regardless of any issues they have.
All your cars are Carfax and full inspection with warranties, right?
Yes, yes indeed. We provide a Carfax with every car. Every car is inspected before it's delivered, okay? So everyone has an inspection sticker. They don't even have to take a trip to the DMV. We take care of it all from A through Z. As soon as they step in the lot, they just have to sign and drive. Okay, and as well as we have lifetime warranties available as well. So I'll tell you a little bit more about that later. And as far as the warranties, we have a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty program available on every car that's financed. So any car that's going to be purchased from our lot, as long as it's 2,000 and up, with under 150,000 mileage, we'll have a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty with any licensed mechanic in the United States and Canada. Okay, that covers engine and all of its components, transmission, everything with it, drive axle, transfer case, steering column, electrical, cooling, brakes, everything, rental, fuel delivery.
Sound excited over here. Car Approval, I know people get good services. A lot of people, I hear good news, and you guys make miracles. I hear you guys do make miracles with credit repair here. Everybody get approved.
The biggest question for credit repair, what we do with credit repair, we can remove almost anything for one's credit, as long as they come in here and fill out some paperwork. We review their credit. If they have any issues such as collections, bankruptcies, disputes, delinquent payments, late payments, tax liens, anything and everything that's on one's credit, we have a good opportunity to remove it with our help, and we can get that done in a very short period of time, around 30 to 45 days. And once we get their credit up, give a little boost on their credit, they'll be able to get a better interest rates, or even for other fields such as real estate, they'll be able to buy a house, get a loan, and go ahead and get some money for people. That's what we specialize in here. Yeah.
Car Approval right here in Brooklyn. Tell us, where do you get all these cars? So many beautiful cars. You name it, top cars.
That's the biggest question. We get all of our cars out of state, handpicked from Pennsylvania, upstate New York, Ohio, New Jersey. Of course, I mentioned before, they come with lifetime warranties, a lot of them, so just ask about it. To activate the lifetime warranty, see, not a lot of dealers are doing this. Even a lot of new cars, they give you a limited time powertrain warranty. We give you a lifetime warranty. Ask about it. It's only $500 to get it started, and that's really good. And as far as where the cars come from, we have the Carfax to approve. They're all highway cars. Yes, some of them may have a little bit higher mileage, but they're all highway mileage. You have the Carfax to prove that. No depreciation in the engine. With those highway, not like the city cars around here, where parking dinks and bumpers are scratched and wear and tear, stop and go. All highway mileage. That's why our banks that give us the cars, we get all repossessed cars, off-lease cars. That's how our prices are so competitive, and our competition hates it. Okay, that's how we're able to get the lifetime warranties on them, because the engine and trainings are ready to go. Service records available as well, upon request.
All right. Good news over here in Brooklyn at 1942 Car Approval Corporation. Right here with Joe. What if someone is self-employed and do not have a pay stub? Can they drive out at Car Approval?
Absolutely. Everyone, including anyone that's employed with W-2, self-employed with a 1099. That's like it's anyone that's getting deposits into their bank account. We even approve people on the job letter. We understand there's a lot of people out there that work hard and they can't get approval. So they come around, they have to get people to co-sign for them. We don't have any of that stuff here. You come on down, even with a job letter or, self-employed, bank statements, whatever you have, we'll figure a way to get you on the road, and we're very good at that. We have a very good relationship with the banks.
I see.
Very good.
All right. Right here. What is the best way if someone wants to reach you guys at Car Approval? And tell us about the transportation here.
The transportation is very easy to get here. It's exit 11N off the Bell Parkway. It's the middle heart of Brooklyn, but we're an interactive company, to tell you the truth. And what we do is we do a lot of business online. So the best way to get in touch with us and to submit a credit application, we have a large mass of phone calls. So the easiest way to get a hold of us is to go to our website, which is udrivenow.net. The letter U, drivenow.net. It's a huge volume on the website. All the great deals are there. The majority of the inventory is there. It's updated weekly, sometimes bi-weekly, and it's very exciting. Go check out the prices. I'm guaranteeing you see what you like what you see, and come on down. Like I said, 1942 Utica Avenue between L and K. Come on down all day.
All right, okay. Joe, it's a pleasure to have you. The telephone number, and tell us about this manager here in the background that we see here, a Haitian brother right here.
Along and joined us with a business increased a very high volume, about 20%. So now that's why we're reaching out to the Haitian community. Come on down, and I got one more thing to say. Ça passe. La voulée.
Bye, José. Alright. C'est José Baboisita là, bon bagay, bon service dans Car Approval Corporation, Caribbean Image. Thank you.
Okay, thank you guys.